Tonight, 10 News has learned that one of the worst sexual predators in county history could soon be moving to a neighborhood in Campo. The Department of State Hospitals has proposed placing Douglas Badger in the 30,000 block of Hartfeld Road in Campo. 10 News reporter Maria Arcega-Dunn was there earlier tonight with how residents there plan to fight it.
This is the address, the actual home where the Department of State Hospitals wants to place Douglas Badger, a convicted sexual offender. We spoke to neighbors here in Campo, and they say absolutely not. Neighbors along this quiet Campo road are outraged after 10 News notified them that a violent sexual offender could soon be living among them.
We sleep with our doors open all the time. We don't even have keys to our front door. So I mean, that's just totally unsafe. Yeah, I don't feel comfortable.
On Thursday, the Department of State Hospitals proposed placing convicted sex offender Douglas Ernest Badger in this trailer on Hartfeld Road in Campo, depending on the outcome of a placement hearing in November. Damien and his wife Delcy say they're going to fight the placement. They run a horse therapy program for at-risk youth out of their Campo home.
How am I going to bring them here to do this knowing that there's somebody like that 2 doors down?
Badger is a schizophrenic with a long criminal history of kidnapping and sexually assaulting young adult male hitchhikers at gunpoint in San Diego County. 10 News has been covering his crimes for years, and police say he's admitted to having at least 20 victims.
It's shocking to find out that someone of the caliber of the history of this man has that would be my next door neighbor.
County Supervisor Diane Jacobs says it's outrageous that a violent serial sexual predator could be housed at a location just miles from schools and parks. She says rather than dumping Badger in the backcountry, the state should house him next to Donovan State Prison, where several sexually violent predators have previously been located. These residents couldn't agree more. They plan to meet in the coming days to ensure Badger won't be moving in anytime soon. And neighbors have an opportunity to voice their concerns. They have until October 18th in order to do that. The hearing will be held on November 15th. In Campo, Maria Arcega-Dunn, 10 News.